Hi guys, Chef Meika Johnson here in Dallas, Texas. I'm super excited about this opportunity. I only have 75 seconds, so I'm going to get right down to it. Although I left corporate America in 2015, my LLC was not officially launched until 2017. So under my LLC, Chef MiMi J LLC, I'm a private chef and caterer. I have clients around the Metroplex that I provide weekly meals for, and then there are the special events that I cater. Under DFW cookie parties, I host team builders. A lot of them are corporate team builders where we do Iron Chef style competitions or cooking classes. Then I have a business with my partner, Chef Fatima Smith, and it's called VMI. We have a line of chef coats and t-shirts geared towards the hospitality industry. So here it is 5 years later after I left corporate America, and I just still don't have it figured out. I think that mentorship or guidance for someone who has been in the industry and done well for themselves will be just invaluable for my business. So thank you guys for the amazing opportunity, and I look forward to hearing from you.